What's up guys, Roy here. So finally Samsung has unveiled its two new flagship devices this time, and today the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus was completely officially unveiled and was officially introduced in the Samsung Unpacked event. So for the people who all missed the Unpacked event or don't want to skip or don't want to see the 3 to 4 hour launch event, so this video is completely for you. So for the first time in the Note series, Samsung has unveiled two new flagship devices this year, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. To be honest, the Galaxy Note series has always been Samsung's complete package smartphone with bit upgradation to the Samsung Galaxy S series specification for power users. So this year, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is the complete package, but the Galaxy Note 10 itself is also quite an awesome phone. So please let's go deep. Into this. So the new design, first of all, it's eye-catchy. Amazing display from the edges, almost no bezel screen and super immersive display. And the corner display are crazy this time. With amazing display, there are some changes even. The Note 10, the Galaxy Note 10 is packed with 6.3 1080p Super AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus screen. But the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus comes with 6.8 inches 1440p Super AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus screen. The whole punch is in the center, really smaller, and it's amazingly placed from the Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus. It's not even hidden, because last time we have seen there were a lot of crazy wallpapers to hide the camera cutout, but this time there are no kind of crazy wallpaper to hide the camera cutout. It's smaller, it's clean, it's crisp and classy, along with the premium look and premium feel of the Galaxy Note 10 series. And yes, we are going to get a lot of color options this year, so thumbs up for that, Samsung, thank you. And yes, it is still equipped with the super fast in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, so it's going to be crazy in form of security and awesome in form of security. Apart from amazing, there is something which is beginning to the end this time. And so it's true that there's no headphone jack, no 3.5 mm jack anymore. Samsung first flagship device without headphone jack. Let's appreciate Samsung for being stick to the 3.5 mm jack for a longer period of time, but this time we don't feel so good. But yes, it's true, we have to say goodbye to the 3.5 mm jack. But the good news is that Type C earphones are included in the box. That's cool, but there's no dongle inside the box. And finally, to be honest, we are going to be happy about that. There's no Bixby key anymore. Ooh, there's no Bixby key, and you get a power button and volume rockers on the left, and the right side of the phone is super clean and super premium. And also, there's a camera upgrade. Triple camera on the back with the 12MP main camera, 2x telephoto lens and ultra wide lens. Pro grade cameras again, so these cameras are really going to be performing like a pro grade cameras. And additional to S10 Plus, there are some new features that are S10 Plus had many of the pro grade camera feature, but this time there are some camera features which are upgraded from the Galaxy S10 Plus. That is live focus during the video recording, and this crazy zoom in mic feature. The more you zoom in, the more you get the amazing crazy recording, clean recording from the place where you are zooming in, and it's completely like the Matrix gadgets and all. And why should we not talk about the stylus when we are talking about the Galaxy Note 10, the Galaxy Note series? The S Pen is also with some upgradation this year, and is converting the handwriting to text, and some amazingly gesture feature with S10 to take full control over the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 only while using the S Pen. So One UI is amazing with the Note 10 bigger display, so there's no compromise in the software and hardware is completely balanced and it is nicely equipped. So flagship grade specs, where we see Snapdragon 855 processor, so same as the Samsung Galaxy S10 family. If you're really a flagship grade device smartphone fan, then you must have noticed a lot of changes between these two smartphones. The Galaxy Note 10 has 6.3 display, 3 inches display, but the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has 6.8 inches display, whereas Samsung Galaxy Note 10 has the 3400 mAh battery, but Note 10 Plus has 4300 mAh battery. 1080p pixel on the Note 10, but 1440p pixel on the Note 10 Plus, and only 8 GB RAM in the Note 10, but the Note 10 Plus goes up to 12 GB of RAM, and it's amazing. And there is another drawback that the 5G version is only available with the Note 10 Plus, and the Note 10 Plus is also having expandable storage along with 512 GB of internal storage, but the Galaxy Note 10 has only 256 GB of storage and there's no expandable storage. And another thing to be noted, the 45 watt fast charge, super fast charge is only supported in the Note 10 Plus. The Note 10 doesn't support 45 watt super fast charging. So in camera also, while you see, there's a bit differences. The Note 10 has triple camera and flash, just that. But the Note 10 Plus has triple camera and time-bound flight sensor for depth information, and this is going to be amazing. You will be getting more crisp, clear and more details in the smartphone camera of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So finally, to be honest, that doesn't make Note 10 a bad phone, but still with lot of additional features and higher battery capacitive and lot of additional features, the Note 10 Plus will be the overall package and will be the king of flagship this year. So it's crazy to talk that while OnePlus and lot of devices, flagship devices are introducing 90Hz screen and 120Hz screen, but Samsung is still stick to its 60Hz screen because lot of Play Store apps, almost every Play Store app still runs best with the 60Hz screen. And it's amazing that even after no upgradation in the 90Hz to in the 60Hz display to 90Hz to 120Hz display, it is still the most amazing display you are getting in the market. So in the price point when we talk, the Note 10 comes with $949 and Note 10 Plus comes with $1,099. So just now the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Unpacked event is done and there is a lot to be talked about, and we are gathering a lot of information about the Galaxy Note 10 series, and so stay tuned with our channel Boya Universe. Please like and drop a comment for any queries, and so please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So that's all for today.